The Last Feast. In the quaint village of Eldergrove, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, the villagers prided themselves on their culinary traditions. Every autumn, they held a festival celebrating the harvest, but this year felt different. A peculiar blight had struck the livestock, and the meat supply dwindled. As the harvest approached, the villagers faced a grim reality. The feast they had anticipated for generations would be unlike any other. Amidst the unease, Clara, a spirited chef renowned for her creativity, decided to take matters into her own hands. She gathered the villagers, suggesting they transform their feast into a celebration of unity and resourcefulness. Instead of focusing solely on meat, they would showcase the bountiful harvest of vegetables and grains. Clara envisioned a grand table, adorned with vibrant dishes that reflected the season's colors. As the festival day dawned, the air was filled with the aroma of roasted root vegetables, fragrant herbs, and freshly baked bread. The villagers marveled at the spread before them, a tapestry of flavors, each dish telling a story of resilience. Clara, standing proudly at the head of the table, raised her glass, inviting everyone to toast to their adaptability. The feast became a revelation. They discovered that while meat had nourished them for generations, it was the spirit of togetherness that truly sustained them. As laughter echoed through the evening, the villagers realized they could thrive without their traditional centerpiece. And so, in the heart of Eldergrove, a new legacy was born, one that celebrated not just the meat, but the very essence of community.